today is to fix this flapper. And this arm looks okay. I just need to get that little thing down there and this one should work. All right, so we're gonna take this Korky Universal flapper. We got a new flapper. And we're just gonna put it right in there. I've already drained the water out. You turn it off down here. And then we just gotta put it in, that's it. Okay, so anyway, first things first, we've gotta get it off of this thing here. Then I gotta go down inside here and just pop it off the edges. And this one's kind of is heavy plastic. So this one's really old. So I may have to use a cutter. This is kind of hard plastic, so I gotta get in there and kind of cut it. So I got these 10 snips I'm gonna try to use. And see if I can just get it popped off of there. Yeah, like that. There we go. So anyway, I just cut it off. Thing's so freaking old, look at that. That's been in there a while. Alright, so now what I need to do is I gotta get this off of here. So you gotta cut into that. Okay, so I gotta get under here. I gotta clip these. So I'm just gonna clip them, I'm gonna cut them. Got it, got that one. That one's off. And then I gotta get this one here. Get in there, cut it, bam. Got it off. So that's how you do that. All right, now, this was our old one. And this is our new one. So our new one, what I'm gonna do is I gotta get down in there. I think that I can do it this way. I'm gonna slide this down. And if you see this right here, I just gotta slide it on. It just pops on. These are nice and easy rubber ones. And then that falls down. And then you gotta get this baby right here. And we're just gonna put it right in there. And then that's it, that should work. Yep, that should do it. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna fill it with water and see how she does. So far so good, it's filling. That's encouraging. Okay, so now that looks pretty good. Now we gotta see if it works. Okay, so what that tells me is that I've got to bring this up just a little bit. So I may put it back 1 or 2. This to lift. All right, so we gotta get it to lift. So let's go ahead and try it. It doesn't lift high enough, it's gotta come up and float. See how it's dropping? So I've got to get it to lift a little bit higher. So what we're going to do is I'm going to take this off. I'm going to pull this up, pop this pin through. I'm going to come down a couple links, push it through one of these links here. Now we've got a little bit more room, so we're going to try it there. All right, looks good. Now let's check it out. So what we got to do is this flapper's got to be able to float up and then slowly float down. So we have to have it pulled enough to get that action. There we go. See how now it's up? So that should give us our good action. And then as the water fills, it should fall back down. But as you can see, it's not. So what we have to do is I gotta replace this arm. Because look what it's doing. It's holding it up. Shit. So we got another thing we gotta do. Alright, so I'm gonna try another fix. I'm gonna see if I can get some WD-40 in there. make it move more. Look at that. Sometimes all you need is some WD-40. Now we have to see if it works. We have the WD-40, so the arm should swing back now. Let's see what happens. Aha! It's working. I just saved myself a trip to Home Depot with WD-40. Sweet! All it needed was a little lubrication, and we're good. You can see it's all floating in there. Now it's going down the drain. That's probably not good for the environment. All right, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on how to do plumbing and troubleshoot shit. Peace out.